Good morning, everyone. So, today let us start our first unit, that is light. So, before starting the unit, let us recall some earlier concept. Number one, I'd like to request you all to take out your copies and note down what we will give. Okay? Thank you. Now, light. Everyone know that we represent the light ray in this form. This is called ray of light. You have to give the arrow, and when many ray come together, this is called beam of light. Okay, now an object, any object, suppose this object, how can you see this object? When light comes and fall on this object and reflect back, then we can see the object. See, this is the object. Suppose when light fall on the object, reflect back to our eye, then the object is visible. Thus, we can say this reflected ray enable us to see the object. Remember what I said? The reflected ray enable us to see the object. Now, next point, everyone knows that light requires no medium to travel. As we have learned in class 9 also, I have told repeatedly that without medium light cannot travel. Sorry, without medium sound cannot travel, but light can travel without medium. See, I have given you the example of our earth and the sunlight which come from the light which come from the sun enter to the earth, reaches to the surface of the earth. Yes, very close to that there is atmosphere, but outer space there is no atmosphere. So from what this activity, what can we conclude? That the light can travel without medium. But sound, everyone knows sound need medium to travel, which we learn in class 9. The medium may be solid, liquid and gas. Now, reflection occur on any surface. Remember it. Any surface. It may be very smooth, it may be rough. Reflection occur. But most of the reflection, most of the light reflection is most when the surface is very smooth. Remember it. Reflection will be the most when the surface is very smooth, like mirror, plain mirror. Okay. Now, as we remember the reflection concept of class 8, we still remember this is the diagram of plane mirror. This indicate, everyone know this is the polished surface. What does this indicate? Polished, because when you see a plane mirror in home, you see one side is very clear where the reflection occur, and back side there is polished. It may be orange, then it may be silver. That this is represented by these lines. This is called polished surface. Now, when ray of light fall on the mirror, it reflect back, bounce back. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. Reflection of light. Am I clear? So the ray